So, hi guys, this is my vlog. We're playing a Nido Tower. Sorry guys if I'm chubby because this is not my real character, so let's go. Sorry if I'm not in the green because I played this, then I didn't record it. Sorry. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. Tapos, paano to? Ay, mali. Tingnan natin. Mali pala yung nadaanan ko. Patay-patay naman. Para mababala yan. Dito pala. Sige, hindi mo na ako mag-mic para marinig nyo. Wala, natagak. Wala na. Wala. Bakit pa lagi ako nahulog? Wala. Sige, para mabilis tayo. Bakit mabawal ako? Ay, sorry guys. Ang mic. Pero, wait muna tayo dito. May sasabihin muna ako sa inyo. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, okay? Guys, please, I need the subscribers. I need you all, guys, please. This is all my dream, having many subscribers and play button. This is my always dream I'm talking about, and I want to be real, a famous girl. Sometimes when I go out, someone will say, "Oh, can we please take a picture?" Look like that. That is my dream, having someone a picture. But I'm not reality. I'm 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 just jealous of them because I really love them. I really love their video that but I don't have much or play button on them. I I'm just watching for it. Then then about that I'm getting jealousy. So I'm not really jealous guys because guys, you know me. I'm not really jealous about that. I'm gonna make it into my real life. I'm not jealous of it. I'm just really confused how they do that when I was a little. Where's the cat? I'm not really jealous. Or someone say I'm jealous. I'm not. This is so good. So I'm not gonna mic so you hear how the squishies. So natapos na tayo yung Nido Tower. So dito tayo sa part 2. So, Nido Tower 1 pala yun. So, ano, tara, yan na natin. Bawal ako mag para marinig nyo. Hala, ano ba yan? Okay lang yan. Hala, okay. Hindi ako susuko. Yeah. Ay, uy, bakit ako lumipad? Ay, okay lang. Oh no. Oh no. So I think that's all, guys. Bye. But first again, please subscribe, like, and comment. That's all. Bye bye.